Yeah, bless up, yo. Micaiah the pharmacist here getting it in. You know, I figure it's a good teaching moment for y'all. So, that one didn't make it. So right now I'm working my tomato plants, all right? So it's important, come out here, work your tomato plants. I'm doing a few things at the same time, all right? So one, I'm pruning off the dead growth. That's things that's not growing anymore. It's gotta get out of there. Taking energy away from my plant, you understand? So I'm identifying where it needs to come off so that plant can channel its energy to new growth, all right, new fruits. At the same time that I'm doing that, and notice I need some water over here. Plants don't, tomato plants don't need too much water. You never want to give them too much water, but it's dry right now, so I definitely gotta water them. But before I water them, I'm gonna go ahead and weed in here. So I'm weeding at the same time because I want those weeds to take away from that water that's designated for those plants. So I'm gonna get the weeds out of there first and then water, all right? But check this out, I got an area, you notice right here I have some sweet onions. So this is what I'm talking about with good companion planting, okay? Right here I have some basil plants. Let me stretch one out here. I got some basil plants right here. So you see I got some nice basil, all right? And the basil, good for the pesto, keeps the mosquitoes away, great flavoring. It's a great herb to have. And it's a great companion to plant with your tomato plants, all right? Basil goes good with your tomato plants. So half of this row, I planted the basil up in front of the tomato plants in the same bed. And then in the other half of the row, I took these sweet onions and I got these sweet onions here that I put in the other half of the bed in front of the row. So, at the same time that I'm coming over here, pruning off the dead growth, harvesting my tomato plants. So I'm harvesting my tomato plants, getting them ready so I can water them, pruning off the dead growth, weeding them, and harvesting the onions that I planted simultaneously when I planted the tomato plants. This is maximizing my space. In this little space right here, I'm able to make a lot of things happen, a lot of things grow, produce food for myself. I'm able to monetize all those things, my tomatoes, my basil, I can make pesto sauce from, I can make tomato paste, I can sell the tomatoes as they are. All right, the onions, you know, great flavoring. I use them for different things, different recipes, and of course we sell them. So this is what we're talking about, y'all. So I want y'all to really, really think about getting in our course right now, all right? The Grow Your Own Garden course, all right? You see right here, getting more onions up as I'm weeding. Some nice onions. So think about getting in the Grow Your Own Garden course so you guys can learn some things about how to companion plant, what you should be doing this time of year, what you should be doing in the off season, just the science to building up your ecosystem. That's the reason why we let it get a little bit jungly out here, okay? And some people keep their garden and their space all perfect and well manicured. We let it jungle out a little bit, you know? It's a fight. Sometimes you gotta lose a round, win a round. At the end, we're gonna win this battle, but you know, we let nature get ahead of us sometimes because it's building the ecosystem at the same time. It's attracting other bugs, other insects, this other growth, organic matter, life that's happening, even with those so-called weeds. So yeah, we let it get a little jungle in here. See it down there? We let it emulate nature, but things are growing really well, okay? You see, like I was showing you, the tomatoes and the onions, and I'm gonna harvest all these tomatoes in here as I'm weeding and pull the onions out. I got them going down the whole row. But look over here, our peppers right next door. Beautiful color on these royal sweet peppers. All right, so the plants, although it looks like a jungle in here, nah, there's some things growing really, really nice right up in here, just how we want them to. My favorite. All right, Sun Gold cherry tomatoes. And I got them all up in here. So as I weed, I'll be able to get them out, harvest them, get the next thing in there. So y'all tap in, y'all. Click the link in the bio. We got limited signups, okay? Only 100 people for the class. You're gonna get the book Farmolosophy when you sign up. The first 25 people that sign up are gonna get seed packs from us as well. Organic, non-GMO seed packs from Free Haven Farm. So look, man, invest in your health. Click the link in the bio to join this Grow Your Own Garden class. And you know what it is. Stay rooted, keep growing. Blast.